I agree that if we show them that we're okay, they'll be okay.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, that particular conversation or that particular type of communication, the I'm okay and I will see you next time and I'm really excited for that, but go in and enjoy your time with your other parent and go and enjoy your life generally. And trying to communicate that your life shouldn't be dictated by your parents' feelings, that is absolutely pivotal to your kid feeling like they can just live their life irrespective of their parents' divorce. Because the reality is that your kids see more than you say and they know how you're feeling and they are empathetic, because I often think that kids are divorced quite mature and empathetic in ways that, you know, they see emotions in ways that I believe kids who come from parents who stay together, they might, you know, see conflict for sure, but I think kids of divorce see a lot of emotion and so they're very receptive to how you're feeling. And so that communication that I'm going to be okay, of course I'm going to miss you, and finding that balance is absolutely vital, because you can still acknowledge that your parent will miss you, but you can enjoy your time. And that's so pivotal to transition time. You get a whole heap of time with one parent or the other. And so by the time you have transition day, that's an entire day. And if that's kind of mucked up by these crazy emotions, that's a day wasted in a way. So that quality time that you're trying to spend with your other parent can be taken away by, you know, some really simple miscommunications. But putting everything out there and having, you know, sometimes those mature conversations in a kid appropriate and age appropriate way is how your kids are going to know, okay, this isn't my responsibility and they're going to be okay, so I should live my life.
I think that is so big, Bella. It's not their responsibility, and taking that weight off them. I agree. And you said something about kids from divorced families being more attuned, more aware of the emotions. I could not agree more. I think they really are. I think they really do see, they're probably on the lookout. I don't know the psychology behind it, but they probably are on the lookout and making sure that their parents are okay. Life's not going to change maybe any more than it is. But I do think they are certainly, more attuned, more hypervigilant of their surroundings, of their parents and their parents' well-being.
Absolutely. And I will say that I think firstborns, especially the older siblings, often taking that protective stance for any younger siblings. And so they're even more hyper aware of not only their parents, but also their younger siblings, and trying to protect them so that they may not have to feel what the older sibling is feeling. And I think that that's a really touchy subject, because I get emotional when I talk about my younger brother, because I just love him so much. And I always had that perspective of just, as long as Luke doesn't have to feel certain things, then I'm happy to kind of take the brunt of it. And that was helped by my parents communicating that you don't have to, it's not your responsibility. And then we could both enjoy our time with the other parent.